Welcome back. Now news from sports. Continuing his studious approach in the field of sports, former physical education teacher turned sports minister Ramesh Tawadkar met up with the state sports associations on Monday. Tawadkar praised the medal-winning bodies and also advised all of them to upgrade their performances.
After becoming sports minister, Tawadkar had first focused on SAG coaches to get their acts together to produce optimum results. This time, the Concon legislator has addressed sports associations to end any problems if there are in their functioning and work towards betterment of their respective sports disciplines.
आज गोंयांत 44 असोसिएशनांची काम करता तातूंत म्हाका जो रिकॉर्ड मेळ्ळो आसा तो 16 असोसिएशनांनी आत्ता पर्यंत मेडल मेळिल्ले आसा बरें काम केल्लें आसा आणि अजून आमकां लक्षांत येता जेन्ना 42 असोसिएशनां काम करता कांय जाणांक मेडल अजून मेळ्ळी ना स्ट्रगल मेडल घेवपाच्या दृश्टीकोनांतल्यान म्हणटकीर एक गोष्ट आमकां लक्षांत दवरपाक जाय कांय जाण भरपूर काम करता पण कांय जाण अशेंय आमी उदाहरणां पळयल्लीं आसा की खूब वर्स काम करता पण तांची गेम तालुका स्तराचेर पावना कांय गजाली आमकां खबर आसा की कांय असोसिएशनां कडेन झगडी जालो आसा मग ती आमकां संबंद गोंयच्या स्पोर्ट्साच्या दृश्टीकोनांतल्यान पोशक ना आम्ही जर झगडपाक लागले जायत झगडी आमी करता जायत जाल्यार बाकीचे आमी स्पोर्ट्स क्षेत्रामध्ये आमी अशें स्पोर्ट्स टॅलंट किंवा बाकी मैत्री संबंध बरें हें करपा खातीर आमी कशें कितें करपा येतलें तरीच आमचो हेल्थ मिनिस्टर आमी केन्ना अशें बसले तेन्ना आनी आमी सदांच एक कटकटीचें डिपार्टमेंट हेल्थ कितलेंय काम केलें जाल्यार सुद्दां काम केलें अशें निश्चित ना एक 20% जर पयशे तुमी स्पोर्ट्स डिपार्टमेंटाक दिले आणि सगळ्या मनशांक जर आमी ग्राउंडार हाडपाक शकले जातली तुमच्या हॉस्पिटलाक कोण येवचेच ना त्यामुळे जे कोण अशें आळशीपण करतले तांणी कृपया करून हाजे फुडें जे आळशीपण करची न्ही मातशें आमी सिरियस जावया कोणी जर अशी पदां हाडून दवरले आसत ती बरी म्हाका शक्य ना की कोणी तरी जो काम करता ताका दिवया ती तो करूं न्ही अशें म्हणपाची गरज आसा.
The forum was also used to felicitate every sports association in Goa. Mostly it's the sportsperson remembered, but often forgotten are the association members who strive for glory. Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Prudent Pednekar from Purvuri.
Club Saumingel Taliga won the inaugural match of 39th Bandodkar Memorial Football Tournament on Sunday. Taligaon defeated host Baina Sports Club by a solitary goal. The tournament is in progress at MPT ground in Vasco.
Bandodkar Memorial Tournament is the oldest running football tournament in the state, being organized by Baina Sports Club since 1973. Industrialist Narayan Bandekar was the chief guest for the inaugural match. Here are the highlights of the match. Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
Don't worry if you have missed this bulletin. Log on to www.prudentmedia.in, or you can also catch latest updates on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.